just started 213s on Etsy just to get something on, guys. I'm still adding in the 211s. I like the chart. I like this pullback into this consolidation area. Hoping for a push up on VWAP or later in the day for sales. It's pretty much going to be my target. So maybe VWAP and maybe leave a piece on.
You're talking about Etsy?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to sell some
guys 45.25 and I'll add lower, but I need to get something on the start here. I'm just going to I just kicked Neo at 45.03. With this market doing this real quick, I'm going to step aside. I bought some BIDU. I'm going to risk under 278. It's small size, looking for a pushback up on the 1 minute 20. I bought 280, 155. I filled the ad 276 on BIDU. I'm going to kick it under 275 in case it doesn't stop me out. My average is 278.77. Looks like I'm going to get stopped. Not a big deal, guys. Remember, sizing's everything.
Mm-hmm.
And I just took the stop on BIDU. Moving on.
I started along on PDD. A little bit richer stock, PDD. I'm using this pole as an entry. And I'm gonna add off that 168 area, okay? That previous low. Kind of use that 167.50, 167 as a guide. My average, by the way, roll is 171.88. Okay, just watching that NQ pull into that level as well as the QQs pull into the open there. That was my entry. I got an ad on PDD, guys, but I'm still relatively small size with this market coming in, and I might revisit it if it drops below 167.50. My average is just at 170, 170.14. Remember, it's a $170 stock, guys, so give yourself some room on these type of names. But I will revisit it if the market really breaks down here and everything rolls red. Looking at the Qs, they're still green. So I might be a little bit conservative here on my stop, but I could always re-enter is my thought process. Yeah. So I took off my PDD for now, guys. If it holds all the prior close, the Qs here, I might re-enter this thing. Because I started along on MRNA. MRNA 151.33. Yes, I see the markets, but I also see it approaching that previous low, the SPY. And the Qs still are green, I think, a little bit, but my average is 151.33. I might not add off one. I'm going to give this some pretty good range. I'm actually thinking about the original idea, what I wrote down with the G2C as maybe my ad on this. We'll see how it plays out here. I might do 2 ads. I'm going to look to sell this into a VWAP, at least 2/3 of this. I got a fill on half of my MRNA at 154.33. MRNA. For 3 points. I'm going to let some of this ride. I think there's some room here. So I am in a little bit of this Best Buy, guys, but I chased a little bit. I was trying to bid up at 110 area. It's right here though in line, 100.24. My ad's going to be off that monthly pivot, and I'm going to sell some, just like I said, into probably 102.50. It's a pretty tight trade. But if I got that fill at 99, my average would be 90. I mean, I'm risking like probably less than $1 to make, you know, $2 overall. It would have been. Again, my target first is going to be right under 102, 230. Guys, I'm along some Virgin Galactic Holdings.
Ooh.
I'm gonna add off 35.5, and I'm gonna stop under low of the day.
Goose Branson.
What's the symbol on that, Goose? Did that just pop? SPCE? did, I got filled on some Space Ghost. Oh, right at the tip of that candle too. 36.88, guys. On half of my Space Ghost. Yes, I'm childish. Live with it.